Hello everyone, I'm Jenna from Red Paper Plain and I'm here to introduce you to the newest addition to our dimensional print marketing product offering, the Center Pop. Let's take a look at how it works.
This rubber band activated product ships flat and once removed from its envelope and released from its base, pops up and locks into place, taking its fully dimensional tabletop shape. You'll notice that this product offers plenty of real estate for you to add your content and messaging. Not only can you customize both of the outer panels of the piece that are displayed when the product is flat and when it locks into place, but you also have this center panel with two extra sides for you to get your message across to your clients. 6 7/8 inches tall when opened, the Center Pop enables you to tell your most intricate of marketing stories.
The Center Pop is perfect for any kind of announcement, reminder, or any content that you want to put on display. What's great about this product is that it acts as a desktop reminder of your brand that recipients will likely hold on to and show off to their colleagues, making your marketing message last that much longer and reach even more people than you originally intended. To learn more information about this product, to request your free sample, or to place your order for the Center Pop today, visit us online at redpaperplain.com. Place your art to one of our easily downloadable templates, and in as little as 10 days, you'll have your Center Pop on your desk. It truly is the perfect way to put your message on display.